Crab Circle Cleanup. Is Jamaican street food safer now? Here we have a delicate but important topic for you, my people. Welcome, welcome. You're tuned into Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop with the latest happenings across Jamaica. Today, we're tackling a delicate yet infamous moment in Jamaica's street food history, Crab Circle. Yes, that Crab Circle. But before we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright ridiculous, like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And remember, smile because life is too serious to take seriously. Crab Circle redemption, are we safe now? Flashback to 2023. Social media was ablaze, stomachs churned, and Jamaica collectively did a double take at what was happening at the once revered Crab Circle. Some people vowed never to touch roadside food again, while others just sighed and said, Jamaica full of vibes, me can't bother. But here we are 2 years later. The big question is, did Jamaican authorities actually learn from Crab Circle's infamous fall from grace? Did the dramatic viral moment lead to real improvements? Or are we just hoping for the best and avoiding eye contact with food vendors? What's changed? Street food vendors got a crash course in hygiene. And by crash course, we mean actual training, courtesy of the KSMC and Heart/N.S.T. Trust. Before, some folks may have been self-certified in food handling, meaning if the soup didn't taste right, you just prayed. Now, vendors must go through 5 days of training before getting certified. That's 5 days of real lessons, not just wash de pot and cover de crab pan. Portable toilets arrived at Crab Circle. Yes, you heard that right, sanitation concerns have been addressed. Finally. No more wondering where certain vendors were handling business before returning to serve up food. The upgrade means the circle is now less crap and more safe to snack. Mandatory food handlers permits. Before, some vendors were working on the honor system. Now, no permit? No crab. Authorities have made it clear, if you're serving food, you need to be certified, trained, and accountable. Are consumers fearless yet? Look, let's be honest. Some people still approach street food stalls like they're walking through a haunted house. Nervous, skeptical, ready to bolt at any moment. The Crab Circle incident left a stain, pun intended, and trust isn't built overnight. But the effort is there. The oversight has improved, food hygiene is now a priority, and public confidence is slowly creeping back. If vendors maintain these standards, Jamaica's legendary street food scene might finally be respected again, rather than roasted online. Final verdict? So, is Crab Circle redemption real? Yes, but with caution. Progress has been made, but the biggest test will be consistent enforcement. If vendors keep things clean, safe, and up to standard, consumers can finally eat without paranoia. For now, Jamaica Bulletin Board is officially giving roadside food vendors the benefit of the doubt. So go forth, grab your jerk chicken, roast fish, or yes, even crab, and eat fearlessly. That's it for today's Jamaica Bulletin Board commentary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course, smile because life is too serious to take seriously.